Hazrat Ali described about experience as al-aqlu gharizatun bil ilmi wa tajarib. Intellect is such a thing which is increased through knowledge. Man kasurat tajarbatuhu qallat ghurratuhu. One who keeps more experience deceives less. He said, get lesson from experience. Intellect is of two kinds. Number one, we born with natural intellect, but second intellect is attained through experience. He mentioned, man hafazat tajariba asabat af'alahu. One who protects his experience, all his works will be fine. He directed, it is necessary for you to sit with the experienced people because they have got it after paying big prices, whereas you have got this within cheap prices. If you get lesson from your previous life, then of course you will protect your remaining life. It is narrated, az-zafru bil hazmi wal hazmu bit tajarib. Success is achieved with care, while care is achieved through experience. Man qallat tajarbatuhu khada'a. One who keeps less experience is cheated. He further said, at-tijaribu ilmun mustafadun. Human experience is a useful knowledge. One who stabilizes through experiments saves from the ravages of time.